This is not looking like anything. This is not working. Nope. I like it. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this very bright pink glittery look. So if you want to see how I got this look and what products I used, please keep on watching. Taking soft brown from MAC, I'm going to pop this into my crease. And I'm going to bring this pretty high up. So going in with my Juvia's Zulu palette, I'm going to take the same brush and take a very small amount of pink. And I'm also going to work that into the crease. So as you can see, I'm really working this pink into my eyebrows in the front. And then I'm blending it out. So I just cleaned off that brush and I'm adding a little bit more of soft brown from MAC. And I'm just blending the outer portion of the pink. Now I'm taking a E25 blending brush from Sigma and I'm going back in with that pink. And I really want to work this on my upper crease. So I'm going to cut my crease now with a little bit of concealer. Now that my crease is cut, I'm going in with this color. I'm really going to pack it on. Going back in with my blending brush, I'm going in with that matte pink and I'm just going to blend out the outer third of the lid. Going back with the pink, I'm going to work on my lower lash line. Now I'm just going to buff this out a little bit. Going in with this rose gold shade, I am popping it right over here. So going in with my SUAV Hydraliner, this is the white one, which is Space Panda. I'm going to draw a winged liner, but I'm not going to bring this eyeliner all the way. I'm just gonna, well, I'll show you. So taking my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Pyro, I'm going to line right on top of the white. This is not looking like anything. Okay, so we're not going to use this. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of, I think this is a glitter. This is Vegas Baby from NYX. I went looking for it, but they didn't have any in stock, and they didn't have any in stock for a couple of weeks, so they gave me a little sample. So I'm just going to apply my glitter primer. I had to seal it since it broke. So I'm just going to use the smallest brush that I own. And I'm going to tap the glitter onto the eyeliner. Now going in with the glitter. So this is not looking the way I wanted it to look, or I was expecting and hoping it would look. So I'm going to try one more glitter to try to salvage this. I'm going to go in with the glitter in, oh, hello. I'm going to go in with the glitter in GLI 06. We're going to attempt to add a little bit more glitter glue on the top. So I added my NYX Wonder Pencil in medium into my waterline. So I'm going in with my Becca highlighter in Opal, and I'm going to pop this into my inner tear ducts. I'm also going to apply this on my brow bone. So I highlighted the rest of my face with my Becca's Opal highlighter. Now going in with blush, I'm using Tarte's Paaarty. And I'm just going to pop that onto the apples of my cheek. Oh, so for my lips, I went in with MAC's Whirl Lipliner, Colourpop and Shayla Quickie lipstick, and Fenty's lip gloss in Fussy. So this is the completed look. As you saw, I was having some difficulty with the glitter liner, but that's only because I wanted to try something completely different and new and just test out some products, which clearly didn't work out in my favor. But initially, well, at the end, I ended up going with my NYX glitter in GLI 06, and because it was so chunky, it showed up, and I really liked the way the makeup came out. And I also got a chance to finally try out the Zulu palette by Juvias. I only used two shadows, this one and this one, but they were both so pigmented and I have no complaints. I'm looking forward to trying out these other colors. If there are any colors in here that you want to see me use, please comment below and let me know. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.